Sad and I are gonna make some boiled peanuts. We went to the farmer's market and could not resist. So we washed them really well. And we are going to season them with some Cajun seasoning, some mustard, and some garlic powder. Here is our Cajun seasoning. Put that in there. Here's the salt, and use sea salt. And then the mustard and garlic, as well as a little heat. And we're gonna put these 3 hot peppers in there. We got a couple of different ones at the market, some with the red skin, some with the white skin, but you can use either one. I know they have 2 different flavors from what we were told, so we're gonna find out and see. We already boiled some water. We're just simply gonna pour it all in. And then we might have to top it off once some of the water evaporates. We're gonna place the top on and place these guys in the oven. We preheated the oven, and now all we need is just a small fire going on the side. We're gonna place our terracotta pot in there, close the door, and allow the oven to do its magic. Time is up. Let's go and peek as to how our peanuts are doing. Reach my arms in there. Trying not to get burned. Let's see if we can pick this up. Ooh, look at there. They have been gently boiling in here. Let's pull one out and taste it. The fire has finally gone out, and we are able to pull this beautiful pot out. We have our boiled peanuts, and there they are. You can tell that they're finally done because they're not floating anymore. And let's take them inside. Now the best part, we get to pull them out and serve them. Oh, wow. There you can smell the aroma from the herbs and spices we put in. And we're gonna have the other dish ready for the shells. And we are ready to open some of them up. Let's see. Oh yes, look at them. All that is left to do is to wish you un buon appetito. So good.